Hello everybody and welcome back. As many of you may already know, we are losing the Warehouse Hobby Raceway, which is our local track, one that I've been a big part of keeping it going the last couple of years. The landlord has decided that his business is growing to the point to where he needs the space. So we've lost our lease pretty much, and we're going to be forced to find something else. So this is going to be a two-part video about what's going on. The first part will be about our end of an era race, which is a race we had to try and raise money to get our dirt out and get all the other stuff out and stored so we can take our next step towards finding a new place. So it's just got some clips of what was going on during the race. I didn't get the footage in I wanted to do. I was super busy. A lot of talk about what was going on, a lot of memories being shared, a lot of tears shed from grown men about toy cars. So very sad and emotional. I lost it during the driver's interview, the driver's meeting, and wasn't able to continue that. I had to get somebody else to do it. But it was a very special event. We had a big time, and we got plenty of help when we were done pulling the pipe up and got a good start on tearing it down. And then the following week, I was able to hire a buddy from work and some dump trucks to get the dirt moved to my house. We came the next day and got all of our tools and equipment, everything we could get out and salvage to still be able to use. So we got all that stored. And the second part of the video will be about the dirt removal process. We ended up taking the dirt to my house. A lot of the tools, a lot of the outside stuff is stored that we can keep outside is at my house. There's a ton of stuff inside as well. Joseph Wilkerson and his dad Andrew took a lot of stuff in their new shop, so they've got more of the electronic stuff side of things. And I've got a ton of stuff here. I've got a ton of dirt here, 20 dump truck loads. So anyway, these videos are kind of documenting what's going on, and hopefully we'll get something else going pretty soon. So I hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned for part two. I'll do it in a separate video and separate the race from the dirt removal process, but I'll use this same introduction. So stay tuned and we'll see you. Sad day. All right, so the end of an era race is over. You can hear all the noise. That's the skid steer going in the background. See, Joey Reynolds is starting to bust everything up so we can get our dirt out here. So he's a madman with that machine. So he's getting it all piled up, getting ready for a dump truck to come in here. Got a ramp built up, so just trying to get it all tore up so we can get it loaded up later in the week. So it's like her chick's over here tearing banners off. So I'll come out here and show you. Listen, a lot of noise. Come out here. Joe's over here cleaning tires. Sad that it's over. Looks like got my trailer hooked up. John's trailer there, he's gonna get it pretty soon. We moved Rusty's over there. Oh yeah.
Joseph Wilkerson, RC, whatever the heck my channel's called, and then Natty Smith, I'll send it to him.
Joseph's gonna be making a tribute video to the track, so we're gonna see you later to that. And there's Greg.
No one's looking good. So it'll probably take a couple weeks until it's actually
That's okay. He takes a lot more time editing than I do.
Well, I have like 100. He don't have a job. I have like 100 gigabytes of videos.
Oh wow.
So it's gonna take like. What are you recording right now?
Huh? No, this is a recording for part of my video.
Hey, it was fun. Warehouse. 15 years running. I only got about 3 or 4 years of it. God, thank God.
Yeah.
Good people, good racing, good fun. It ain't the building, it's the people.
Yeah.
Make the track.
So we're gonna get all this dirt. We're gonna get all this dirt moved out, and we'll keep showing you steps along the way of how it's going. So y'all stay tuned. Well, here we are, the day after the race. Joey Reynolds has been in here digging up dirt late last night, helping us out, and he's gonna work on it today. So I'm gonna turn this camera around, let you see what we got. So he's got pretty much down to the concrete here and over there. Today he's gonna try to work as much as he can and get it busted up to help in the process of getting the dirt moved. And then the end of this week, we're gonna get my buddy from work to get his skid steer, his bobcat in here, and the dump trucks, and they're gonna come over there and he's gonna load them up. There's a lot of dirt. We're hoping we can get it done in a day, get it all moved to the house. Still a bunch of, it's gonna be hard to get some of this little stuff up. I guess I'll bring my tractor in here and we'll get in here and get some of these edges done. So this is the beginning of the end of the Warehouse 1.0, but the beginning of the Warehouse 2.0. Not sure what we're doing yet, but this is part of the process. It hurts a lot. There's a lot of tears shed yesterday. Probably still more to come, but we're gonna get through this, and it'll all work out in the end. So have faith, and we'll keep you tuned in, and we'll get all this put together and see what comes of it. See you next time. All right, here we are. We're a couple days into the teardown. I'll show you what all we got done. Right after the race, we took the sign. Zach Meadows took down most of the banners, and we got this race car hood with the Warehouse Hobby Raceway on it. We got our nails up, got our lights down. Last night, I came and ran the tractor some, and Eddie Lawley came and took down the speakers and the TVs. We gotta get some cables. We got lots of stuff we gotta do. We got a closet full of junk. The dirt's piled up like crazy. I came and ran the tractor some last night, got it all out of the corners. We're gonna rake out or shovel out some of this out of these corners. I'm gonna get that up. But we're down to the concrete now. Got some sprinkler stuff we gotta get out. We gotta get the computers out. He got the speakers out of the top. We got a few more banners. Tore the walls up just a little bit. I think they're gonna take those out anyway. But we're down in the concrete over here. I gotta get a little more dirt out of the corners. And there's the dirt. Tractor and the bobcat gonna be using to get it all in the dump trucks. So here it is. Here's all the dirt. Trying to get prepped for it to go to the house. Joseph's going to come in and get all the computer stuff out and store it. So a couple of days into it, still got a good bit of work to do. This is the first time I've ever moved dirt not to put a layout in, so a little different. But just the next step we're taking, so stay tuned. Well, today's the big day. We're going to get the dirt moved out and to my house. So we turn this. You see, I took down some of the handrails, make it easier for the dump truck to get in here. Got everything piled up, ready to go. So Chris will be here soon. He's the guy from my buddy from work. He's going to help me. He's running the Bobcat and going to be loading up the trucks, and the trucks will be here at about 7 o'clock, another 30 minutes or so. So we'll start loading them up and heading out. Stay tuned for more. so here we go. This is where the dirt's gonna rest. Got this area back here in the back of my property where I was gonna put a shop and never did because I didn't want to go in debt. So here it is, pretty open spot. Right there, you see all that dirt? That's where there was a bunch of trees and stumps there. I dug those up today and covered it up so the dump truck can get in and out of here better. So we'll start over here in this corner where the trailer is, and we'll just work our way out from there. So this is where the dirt will sit unless some miracle happens between now and then. So just wanted to let y'all see that, and there we go.
I took the rope down.
Here we are back at the house. Ran dump trucks all day, and after 14 loads of hauling dirt to the track, all 3 truck drivers decided they had to stop working so they could go watch the stupid Alabama football game. And just so you know, at the moment they're losing to Tennessee, so hope karma bites them in the ass and they watch them lose. So now we're stuck with I guess about 6 loads left at the track. We found another truck driver that's going to run for us starting at 7 a.m. in the morning. Hopefully we got about 6 more, like I said, and we should be good to go. We'll start at 7 a.m. in the morning. And anyway, here, that's a lot of dirt. I saw a picture of this Lisa sent me. Didn't look like that much in the picture. I'm gonna climb up on top of it here. See if I can do it without hurting myself. Here's 14 loads of Warehouse Hobby Raceway dirt. My backyard. Not exactly what we wanted, but at least we got the dirt. This dirt's got a lot of history, so hopefully we can keep it going. We'll see. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have a little more tomorrow, and we'll get the rest of the dirt here. I got plenty of room still, but I'll see if I can go wider here. That's as wide as it'll let me get. So 14 piles of dirt. It's real now. Well, everybody, it's done deal. Here I am back at the house. I'm gonna turn it around and show you what 20 loads of dirt looks like. Warehouse dirt at my house. There it is. The last few, you can see the last few were broken up in the hard pack stuff, so they came out in big rocks, which is kind of sucks, but this is what it is. So this is, you see these last few are the last 5 we got today, or 6 I think it was. Let's get up on here. This is it. Ended up being 20 loads. Sad day, but ended up costing us more than I expected. This just kind of turns out I kind of expected to pay more than I expected, so I guess not. So this is where it sits for now. So what can you do? On to the next step, I guess. Kind of worried about what the dirt's going to do, and I need to get it spread out probably, because it's going to try to collect in all these holes where it's dumped. Guess I'll just keep an eye on it and move it around. I don't think much of it will wash away where it's sitting. It's pretty flat ground. It is what it is. Y'all stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on what the next chapter is. See ya. Okay, there's it. So I guess you see we got everything out. We came the next day after this day and removed all of our other stuff. We got everything out we can use. We had to leave some things that we just didn't have a place to store. But I think we got everything we need to get started on our next venture. Now it's on to find us a place. So I'm going to try to document this stuff as we go along, and hopefully something will come up soon and we'll be back on the track. Meanwhile, there's 20 truckloads of dirt on the back of my property. We don't know exactly where we're putting it yet, but it's in a safe place. So make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see what we come up with next. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.